In a hospital, patients should always be top priority. And efficient processes are essential for achieving this. However, a nurse spends up to 72 minutes per shift looking for equipment. At UKSH, it was therefore important for us to have digital solutions to help us organize our clinical operations more efficiently so that care could focus on the patient.
We at Hypros have taken on the task of digitizing bed management at UKSH. With the help of 1,600 beacons on the hospital beds that emit Bluetooth signals. Instead of time-consuming coordination of bed cleaning, staff members simply press a button on the beacon and the order is displayed on a mobile device. This eliminates misunderstandings and improves response times, making beds available again more quickly. The temperature monitoring of the medication refrigerators has also been digitalized. Sensors take care of all the documentation and automatically trigger an alarm if limits are exceeded, so that those responsible can easily find the location to check the refrigerator. This guarantees the safety of the temperature-sensitive medications and contributes to optimal patient care.
To make this work, it needs a digital infrastructure that ensures stable connectivity 24/7. This is where HPE Aruba Networking comes in. Our access points ensure that there is comprehensive WLAN coverage while receiving the BLE signals from the beacons. This enables data visualization in the software. With HPE Aruba Networking's infrastructure in place, digital connectivity succeeds today and in the future.
Together with Hypros and HPE Aruba Networking, we have ensured that UKSH is digitally optimized to reduce the workload of our clinical staff. This will be of great benefit to our patients, as the focus will once again be on them. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about.